first part from eSpare was for my oven. My husband turned around and he went, "Hayley, I don't think the oven's working." I said, "Well, what happened?" And he said, "Oh, the electrics are tripped and now I don't think it's actually working." I said, "Well, is the fan running?" And he went, "Yeah." I said, "Well, then the element's gone." So I turned around and I actually YouTubed a video. And I know they say you're meant to turn around and get an electrician, but once everything's isolated anyway, I don't see a problem in tackling it myself. And the video was quite simple and easy to follow. So I turned around, went online, found your part, and I'll tell you one thing, it was under £9. I had to wait 7 days, but hey ho, he had to pay for my takeaways for a week. And once the part came, he come home, found me in the oven repairing it, and well, it's been working ever since. And it gave me the confidence to actually repair my wash machine. The seal had gone on my wash machine. Oh, sorry. There's my cooker. I believe in recycling and reusing until it drops dead on you. My wash machine, I was able to take apart, do the inside of the seal, the rubber around there with greatest confidence. And the same thing happened to my friend's cooker the other day, and she was wanting me to measure up for a built-in oven. I said, no, don't do that. Go on to eSpares. I said, it's just your element. That's all it was. So hers was a little bit more expensive at £30. But I'll tell you now, if I had to get an electrician in, the part, you're looking at over £100. Saved yourself and saved her a blimmin' fortune. I ain't scared of taking anything apart. Thanks, guys.